In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language on MyFitnessPal. Easy tutorial. Before we begin, here's a quick note about how MyFitnessPal handles languages. The app follows the language set on your device. That means to change the language inside MyFitnessPal, you'll adjust your phone or tablet system language, then reopen the app to see it reflected. This is quick to do, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening your device settings. Look for the main settings app on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. If your device has a search bar at the top of settings, this will make things much faster. In the settings search bar, type language. Different devices label this a little differently. On many Android phones, you'll see languages, languages and input, or system languages. On iPhone or iPad, you'll usually see language and region. Select the matching result so you're taken straight to the language options. Now tap languages. If you're on Android, this may appear under system or general management. If you're on iOS, you might first land on language and region, and then you'll choose iPhone language or iPad language. If you see another languages option inside, go ahead and tap it again to reach the list of available languages. Some devices nest this one level deeper, so just keep opening the languages option until you see the full list. Next, choose other languages or add language. This is where you'll find the complete selection. Devices often show a short list of suggested languages first, and the full catalog appears after you open other languages. Scroll through until you find the language you prefer. When you tap your choice, your device may ask you to confirm or restart, or it may switch immediately. Select the language you want and confirm any prompts. Give your device a moment to apply the change. Once the system language updates, close MyFitnessPal if it's open, then relaunch the app, and you should see the interface in your newly selected language. If the change doesn't appear right away, try fully closing the app and opening it again. A quick device restart can also help in rare cases. A couple of tips as you finish up. If you don't see your preferred language, check for system updates, since newer software versions sometimes add language support. And remember, certain parts of the app may still use English if translations aren't available for specific features yet. That's it. You've changed your device language, and MyFitnessPal now follows your selection automatically.